Hello, this is Teresa Conway-Hayes in Meridian, Idaho, and welcome to another unboxing. So I'm just going to check to make sure that I am on the right page, and yes I am. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Unboxing. Okay, so that was just a little feedback there that I got rid of. The first item we're going to look at is this photopolymer stamp set called Hello Ladybug. At first, I wasn't really interested in this. Funny story. Um, I noticed that the medium daisy, or wait, might be the small daisy punch, didn't retire. So I asked the question, if it didn't retire and the stamp set that it went with did retire, what are you going to use it with now? So now it's to be used with this Hello Ladybug. Of course, you could build daisies with it as well. So I went ahead and bought this because I thought it was cute, thought the grandkids would enjoy it. I forgot to get the Ladybug punch that goes with it. It's called the Ladybug Builder, so I'll have to get that in the next order. Then I have right here something that I've been really anxious to get, and this is called the Deckled Rectangles. Sorry about the glare. I'll try to be thoughtful about how I hold this so that it minimizes the glare. It's a bad time of the day actually to be doing this. So there you go. These are really neat, and I'll be making some projects with that very soon. Next, just some simple things like we have the 2022-2024 in color matte decorative dots. So you've got all the in color with the Sweet Sorbet, the Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Orchard Oasis. I always get these two mixed up. And Starry Night. So this is probably Starry Night and this is probably Orchard Oasis. But don't hold me to that. I thought I needed some more craft paper. I was wrong. I had some already, but I've got some ideas for doing some flat mail projects that you'll hear more about in the future with this sort of thing. Then I did get 2 Memories and More packages. One is Today is the Day Memories and More card pack, and the other one is Texture Chic Memories and More. I like these because I like to do cards with these, but now I'm going to use them more for my, my method of journaling, which is going to be flat mail for the most part. And again, you'll see more of that in the future. I'm going to stay focused on this being an unboxing for now. Then I got this bundle, Perched in a Tree. Hi Deb, I just turned around and saw you there. And this Perched in a Tree bundle comes with the Aspen Tree dies. So that's there. I like the splotches on this set. That's one of the reasons that I got it. This has Christmas, for the most part, Christmas sentiments. Your kindness in my heart isn't real Christmas. You could probably say, not probably, you could say wishing you abundant joy and peace anytime. What the heck? You could say any of this anytime. Then I got these designer tags. And let's take a look at those. These are going to be so much fun for my flat mail projects. And for Christmas, I like to use tags on Christmas cards. And this is you know, these are just fun labels. You could use this for on top of a bookmark. Lots of things. This could be used as embellishment, this and this as well. So I'm excited to get started on using those and making some lovely cards with those, using them in my workshops to make lovely cards with other Stampin' friends. See, I just had to get some navy cardstock, and I got this beautiful Rings of Love paper. It was free from the celebration brochure. So that's going to be a lot of fun to use. It's got some really cool designs on it. And then the last thing I got was this split card, and I think this is what instigated this particular order. It's called Split Card Textures Dies, and it's got 2 dies to it. And one will die cut with some, I don't know, do you call that deco images? Almost floral maybe. And then this one is like a net, is what I would call that. Anyways, they're going to be a lot of fun to make cards with, and I'm really looking forward to that. So this was just a quick unboxing video. While I've got your attention, I want to remind you that we have the BOGO sale going on for the buy one get one free. That's for the kits, and that lasts until the end of June. And then the mini catalog is going to come available the 1st of July. But if you don't want to wait and you want to order out of the mini catalog and be able to take advantage of that celebration offer where you get free product, you can do that now by joining my team. So you would just go to my website, www.stampinbookkeeper.com, and the celebration offer is good from July 1 to August 31st for regular customers, but it's available now for anybody who joins as a demonstrator. And you can join as a demonstrator hobbyist. You don't have to turn it into a business. So a hobbyist gets to order product right away when they come available, such as the new mini catalog that has been released for pre-order to demonstrator, and get a discount, and all depending on when you join up, you get some cool stuff when you join up. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can go to my website and you can click on the join offer, join navigation there, or you can give me a call or email me, however that is most convenient for you. So thanks for watching this time, and Deb, I hope you're having a good day, and I hope all of you that are rewatching this has a great day too, or is having a good day. So take care. Bye.